Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're back. One of these days I'm gonna fall off that ladder and just crack my head. I know it. Okay, where are we? Yesterday night we finished this table off. Me and Lukey, I had Lukey out here. We set up the camera. We're doing finished shots, and I realized, got ahead of myself. Didn't discuss with the client on the finished sheen that they were going to try and achieve here. What they wanted. The way that this sits today, this is a matte finish out of the can. This is what you're going to get at a Rubio Monocoat, and there's nothing wrong with this. This is what you want anyways. This is your waterproof stage. This is going to prevent things from happening, like butter and oil and things to penetrate. The next stage that I do offer is this Rubio Monocoat universal maintenance oil, and really what that's going to do is it's going to have I guess it would be a chemical bond, but not deep into the fibers. This is going to hit the upper fibers of the wood table or whatever furniture you're working on, and it's going to just give you that added layer of protection, right? But what it really does is it changes the sheen. So you're going to see that it'll look, I call it more luxurious. But really what it means is when the sun hits it, when the light hits it, you're going to be able to see the grain details far better, just because of that sheen difference. When the light hits this right now, I don't know if I would call it a haze, but it is different. This is a matte finish, and there's nothing, like I said, there's nothing wrong with that. It's personal preference. It's not going to change the characteristics of the protection of your table, if you want to call it that. So what do we do to apply this? I typically do go with the mechanical sander with the interface of the white 3M, and I'll just come over here, clean all this dust off, hit it with the oil. A little goes a long way here, and you have to keep in mind you're wiping it right off 5 to 10 minutes after you apply it. So you want to use sparingly, consistently, even, but then you're going to come back over, you're going to wipe all of that off. And keep in mind, if you don't wipe it all off, it's going to get sticky. I mean, I've had it happen. You're not cooked per se, but it's a pain. It's messy. The best way to fix that is to just reapply more oil, let it reactivate, and get it off this time, right? So let me set this up. I'll show you how it's done, in the power of the internet, really fast speed time, but then we'll bring it back in. I'll take a closer shot and you'll see the difference, right? And you'll be able to see it pretty easy. I probably do this to maybe 70% of the tables that I've made. And not only do I do it at this stage, but you can also do it to refresh your table, right? So if you've got a table that was made by me, 3, 4, 5, even 8 years ago, I started using this Rubio. It's not a problem. You can get this stuff and just apply it by hand and just wipe it off. Your table's going to look brand new. So stick around. You get this set up, and we'll get this done.